I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the July postcard play hosted by Carrie Griffiths, who is Carrie the Crafter, and we're on card number 7. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I am doing pretty good. I certainly cannot complain. I have got my jelly print, which is right here. It's a red one. I don't even remember how I did it. And I think we're fixing to have a visit from Bushy. Yeah. Say hi to the people, poo-poo. Sorry about that. He wanted some lovin's. In fact, I put him down twice and he jumped back up here. And he doesn't do that very often. And here he comes again. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll be back. We'll see how long it lasts this time. He doesn't do that very often, but when he does, he is hard-headed. He gets it in his mind he wants to do something. He's going to do it. So first of all, I'm going to fix up my background. He's a sweet old kitty cat. I love the old rascal. Alright, so I have that, and I'm going to do a pirate this time. I saw this image in my cut and collage book. This one, I really enjoy this one. It has some cute images. I use it a lot. And so I'm going to use this pirate. It just seemed to go with that red. Alright, so let me get this, see how I want these to go. You know why we can't go to the pirate movie? Because it's rated R. Okay. I know. Mom jokes. I think I want this one on this side. And this one will come around. Like that, somehow. Okay. So let me get these down. These two I know I kind of want going towards the corners. So I'm going to do that. You can tell last night that I spent my time doing cutting out some die cut flowers. I need to do a lot more. I've got so many scraps and I've just got to do it. I procrastinate because you have to pull everything out, but it's way overdue. And I tell you, you'd be surprised at what scraps make the best die cuts. These were just some pieces I had in my basket. I haven't even made I've got 2 baskets and haven't made a dent in it. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of go like that. Now it'll be a little bit easier without that thing flipping up to see where I want to put these. I like that going into the red, but you can't really see this one so much. Let me mark that with my Stabilo All just to define it a little bit. The glue isn't dry yet. maybe something like that, maybe. Go down just a little bit. And this one will come up like that. There we go. It got twisted. Alright, so let me get this down. I love these little bits and bobs, but they are fiddly. Okay. Hope I'm not out of frame. I use the paper because my glass mat is reflects that light. That's why I like using my other mat, but with this I never know if I'm going to be stamping more or what. Be sure and check out, fly pesters them. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel, as well as the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay, and that's spelled J-E-L-Y. Gely. Alright. Now, and this time I remembered to ink. So now I'm just gonna, and I think I'll put my 7 right there. So I like that. Now I've been watching videos. I've just kind of kept it going solid. And there are some very, very creative cards out there. I am very impressed. I have been very inspired. And it's just been a lot of fun. I've enjoyed this challenge. I enjoy making them. And I enjoy seeing what everyone else has done. I love collage anyway. Fly is really bugging me. Okay. I'll be back. Of course, I missed him. Okay. I like that so far. Got my 7 down. And I'm just going to kind of, this brown, just kind of hit the outline there. I don't even think anything else really needs to be outlined. So let me see here. I think this time I'm going to do some black splatters. And I am going to cover his face. Let me get this activated. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and do some gold while I got it. Can't help myself. All right. And I want to do the corners. Okay, and I need to trim those pieces off. And I want to go around the edge, and this time I think I'm going to use my black soot. If I can find my dauber. There it is. So I'm just going to go around that. This one was pretty simple. When you got your bases made, it just helps a whole lot, doesn't it? I may have to do some more jelly prints before the challenge is up. I don't know that I mean, I could do some duplicates and change it up, but I need some for journals anyway. All right. Just get a little bit of that off of the 7 so that you can see the 7. Well, here is day 7 in the books. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay, spelled with a G. So, until next time, bye y'all.